Looking at luxury liners like the Coronia, one can't help envying the lucky people who work on board, see the world and get paid for it and all that. Of course, it's not always as simple as that, but let's introduce one chap who's not complaining, extra chef Jack Taylor. Besides keeping the diners happy, Jack's even found a way of staying cool in the tropics. He's a sculptor in ice. Jack, who comes from Ashington in Northumberland, starts from scratch with a 300-pound block of ice and works to his own design without the aid of models or preliminary drawings. Using only the simplest of ordinary woodworking tools, Jack makes it all look very easy. Yet it's amazing how complex working with ice can be. Few of us realize, for example, that the texture of the ice varies according to the place of origin. Jack prefers working on American ice, which, he says, has more body. Ice from Japan is his second choice. Although it's not terribly well known as an art, ice sculpture could very easily become quite popular. It's not expensive because, as you can see, very ordinary tools can be used, and a large block of ice only costs 7 and 6. A useful tip is always chip outwards with the chisel or else the ice will crack. On an average, Jack Taylor makes 5 figures a week. The Swan, for example, taking an hour and 10 minutes. A lot of trouble when you think that on show, they only last from 6 to 8 hours at a room temperature of, say, 70 degrees. The work of Jack Taylor may not live for posterity, but every week, certainly for a number of years to come, it will give enjoyment to a lot of ocean-going travelers.